French nails are always on trend and they are perfect for every occasion. They are simple and timelessly elegant. First of all, we're going to go in with the all-in-one base coat, applying a thin layer to each nail. We're then going to add 2 coats of the pastel pink lacquer to each nail, creating that beautiful natural base colour. For your French tip, you're going to gently glide the brush across the tip of the nail, creating the perfect arch. As we know, white French tip is the classic look. However, you can use any colour for a French tip, making it fun and spring-like using your pastels. If you would like to add anything else, you can do this before applying your top coat, such as pearls or a little bit of glitter. This can also elevate the look. Once you are happy with your French tip on every nail, we're going to let that set for a minute and then apply our top coat. Once you have applied your top coat, you're going to leave that to dry for about 5 minutes before applying your OPI cuticle oil. And there we have it, the perfect classic French nails for all your occasions.